So welcome to my new room. So it's empty. I'll show you everyone. Okay. I know I look really messed up. This is my brother's t-shirt. This is my dad's shorts because I've not received all my cartons yet. All my clothes, everything is with them. So they'll reach today evening, hopefully. So yeah, I'll show you my empty room tour. So this is basically it right now in my room. I have my cupboard already and I have my bed, but there's some work is going on, so my dad has to get a customized mattress for this because it's pretty long, so that is pending. My mom's starting a boutique, so this the mannequin head here handling a TV, so these will go outside. This will go to the store and the TV will go probably that work area. And this is all that I have right now. A bag which has my laptop, my ukulele, and these 3 homes. So I didn't give this in my the package team because I knew they would damage it. So yeah, this is the empty room and they have this blue curtains which I might keep. That's basically it, and that's my washroom there. I hate the door. I don't like when the door has all that printed on. This is the problem when you're in നാട്ടിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചുവരുമ്പോഴുള്ള ഒരു so yeah, I can't replace the door, so it's going to be the way it is, but bathroom is clean. It's empty. I have never see, it's white. It's all white. I'll fill in colors and I'll set it up. So next, I don't know if this will be a one video and stuff because it's going to be really long. So let's see. Update. I don't know if it's day 5 or 4 or 3. I literally don't know because every day feels the same. So every day I'm here in my room unpacking a carton and then I'm assembling it and another carton. When I left Bangalore, I had 25 cartons of my own and I think at least 17 are done by now, but it's still not visible in the room. Okay, so I got a new mattress. My study table is a mess there. And my shoe rack is done. My cupboard about 50% is done. It's so tiring. I really don't know which day it is. I don't know when I landed and how many days it's been. I don't know if it's number 4th or 5th or 6th. But it's just happening on loop. I just woke up and that's why my sound is a little rusty. But yeah, I just see the walls are still white. I mean, I have a lot of things to do. I don't know when this thing is going to get done. And I also have a lot of brand reels to be done as well. So it's so tiring. I just want to finish this somehow. Like somehow. Even the bed is not set, so I was sleeping with my grandmother all those days. So yeah. The mirror is there. Basically, it's just 30 or 40% of the whole room done. I can't bear to see my walls white right now because there's a lot of sticking and all thing to happen. So I hopefully finish this off in 2 days. I don't think it's practical, but I wish. Hello guys, so today is November 6th and I wanted to show you a quick update. So we changed the bed. Now I took my brother's bed and the other one has gone to my brother, and we took off the curtains because we did put a blue one, but I didn't like it. So yeah, this part is done. All my shoes are there. So this is also done. Here, this thing was drilled yesterday, and there is more decoration to come here. And yeah, I'm sorry I couldn't film this, but yeah, I did set up my study table. The shelves all have to be cleaned again, but that part is done. This, like I showed you, this part is done. The mirror is done. The dressing table will come, I think, on November 11th or 12th. I'm not sure. And the cupboard, all the clothes are folded. That part is solved. And I'm exhausted and drained. There's a lot more to do. So today we're decorating the walls. All these white walls will be colored. Will be all colorful and will look amazing. So yeah, let's do that today. I'm dead. Hi, so this is probably going to be the final makeover thing, and I'm so happy seeing my room come to life. It's almost done. Wait, I'll show you. So I added the leaves, which I showed, but I also did my pin board. I also added those ruffle things, and yeah, I have to work on the board. A little more cleaning required here. We're almost done. I just have a rug to unpack. You see the rug there? And I slept in my room yesterday. So it was the first time I slept in my room. And yeah, I also added some leaves here. Now comes the main part. So I have to have a dressing table here, like a dressing cabinet, because I have all my jewelry, everything out down there. So guess what? My parcels have arrived. So I think my table is there, my mirror is there, and the bulb. Like those, I've always wanted them in my room, like all those bulb around the mirror, and it's like a little fancy glam girl thing. So I've ordered that. Probably that will also reach today. So I've been waiting for this pretty long. So let's get into it, and then we are almost done. And I just have to arrange my jewelry, everything. I'm so excited. So the table is set. Now we're going to arrange it. So I've bought some organizers from Mr. DIY. So let's organize them. So these two are for makeup products and one is for ornaments. So these two will go for makeup products. And this one will be for all my ornaments. It's been a week since I've been working on my room. Finally, we're almost done. I've started sticking up the posters. Like these are the posters that I had on the wall in Bangalore. So yeah, there's like a whole 5 of them. It's probably there's more than 60, and I just got 4 of them done. So it's probably going to take the whole day. But let's see. After this, we are done. Just a carpet opening, and then we're like done. So here it is, the final step. I am going to be putting on my carpet. So this was the final step that I planned. So yeah, let's do it.